Welcome to our channel. My name is Wayne Andrews. My wife's name is Kathleen. The products that we will be discussing are in our current house. It is a house that we built ourselves. We started down this path many years ago, and now this is the third house that we have built. Our expertise comes from the sale of architectural products. It also comes from many years of real estate appraisal and from working in the insurance industry. If you like our channel, please click on the channel and subscribe. If you like the product, please click on the link in the description and buy the product. When you buy, we may get compensation. Thank you for watching. Today's talk is about the automatic two-stage regulator installed in the propane system in our house. The installation of the regulator must comply with local building codes and may require the work to be done by a licensed technician. We use our house propane system on a daily basis. However, this talk is not an approval of any kind. Our current LPG house propane system uses this two-stage regulator to control the propane from two 30-pound LPG cylinders. This regulator can be used to deliver propane from either tank or from both at the same time. As our house propane system serves only our gas range and our small gas fireplace, a single 30-pound cylinder is sufficient for our needs. When our first cylinder is exhausted, the regulator shows a red indicator and switches automatically to the second or reserve tank. We then flip the indicator towards the second tank as a reminder to us as to which tank is in service. While operating on the second cylinder, we disconnect the first tank to be refilled. Should we need a larger supply, we can set the regulator switch to allow both cylinders to operate so as to double the system capacity. What a great house propane system this is. This regulator is installed with two pigtails and a rain cover. Both items came with our propane regulator. To purchase the regulator, please click on the link in our description and please buy the regulator. We may receive a small commission. Also, please subscribe. Please hit the like button and thank you very much for watching.
More videos are on the way. Please click on the link in the description. Thank you for watching.